Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kemi, and if this is your first time, you are highly welcome. My subscribers, thank you guys for always being there. Today's video is going to be about why your product is not giving you the results you desire. Now, I've had a lot of people that will come to me and they're saying that they're using all this nice product that is giving everybody else good result and they're not getting anything, or the skincare products was working at the beginning and then it stopped, and you wonder why. I have a lot of videos about exfoliation on this channel, and if you guys are listening to what I've been saying, then you will not have all these issues. If you can use your money to buy an expensive skincare product, even if it's the most affordable product, you use your money, your hard-earned money, to buy it, and the only thing that will give you that beautiful flawless result is just for you to exfoliate your skin. Why are you finding it difficult to do? If it's the cost of a scrub that is the problem, today's video I'm going to give you a very basic minimum recipe for you to make a very good effective scrub at the comfort of your home. So if that's something that you are interested in, then sit back, relax, and enjoy this video, because if you try this scrub I'm about to drop, you will start seeing the results in how your product will be working. All you need to do is to use this scrub twice or 3 times a week. I'm gonna make it into a scrub that is going to lather. So on days that you're using this scrub, you don't even need to use your normal soaps or anything like that. Just use these scrubs alone. Please don't use this every day, because I've got some of my clients that will tell me, oh, because I love the scrub, I'm using every day. Please don't scrub your skin every day. Twice, 3 times is more than enough. If you have sensitive skin, once is okay. So the recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you today is going to be a sugar scrub, and it is also a sugar scrub that might actually give you a little bit of lightening and also brightening and deeply exfoliate your skin. So let's go into it. So I'm going to give you this recipe in percentage so that you can do as many or as little as you want to do, because I don't want to give you in grams, and then if you want to just make like 100 grams, just Google the percentage of each that I'm going to give you on Google, and you will know the exact amount that you want to do. So we're making a deep exfoliating sugar scrub today that is also going to give a little bit of lightening to the skin. So we're going to be using sugar. So we're using 60% of granulated sugar. So please just use the normal sugar that you eat. That's all. If you have the brown sugar, you can use the brown sugar, you can use the white sugar. Just make sure you use sugar, but don't go and use cube. Use the normal granulated sugar at 60%. And then you're going to get Castile soap. Now Castile soap are easily available anywhere, and if you don't have Castile soap, if you have any mild shower gel or any shower gel of your choice, the one that you already have at home that does not already contain exfoliating properties, then you can use it. So you are going to use your Castile soap or your shower gel, even your baby wash, or anyone that you already have at home. Like I said, I want this recipe to be very simple, something that you already have available in your house. So you're going to use this at 30%, and then you're going to get coconut oil. And for this particular recipe, I would like you to use the coconut oil that is about 76 degrees, which can get solid in room temperature, because this is what is going to keep your scrub together so that it's not too oily. So get coconut oil at 5%. Then get your vitamin E oil at 2%. And then you get an essential oil, any essential of your choice. You can get lavender, you can get green tea, you can get clary sage, you can get any essential oil of your choice and add it into it at 1%. And then preservative is optional. If you are making a very small batch, you don't need preservative. But if you are making a large batch, you can definitely add your preservative at the recommended usage rate of the percent of the preservative that you want to use. So if you are using something that gives you 0 to 1% use, then that's what you will put. So based on the preservative that you're using, that will determine the amount of preservative that you are going to put in this recipe. So how do you do this? Measure all your ingredients, mix the oil and the sugar together, and add your preservative, add your essential oil, and then you store in a very clean jar that has a cover. Please use a plastic jar. Don't go and use a glass jar, because this is something that you're going to be using in the bathroom and you don't want it to fail and break and now injure you. So make sure you are using a plastic jar or a wooden jar. And all you need to do is put a little bit on your body. Apply this on the wet skin. So wet your skin or damp your skin first, and then use your hand, or if you have an exfoliating gloves you can also use it, but your hand will do a very good job. So just apply it all over your body, lather it, you know, massage it in, spend like a minute or two. Like, this is what actually makes it more effective and more potent. Spend a minute or two just rubbing this gently on your skin in a circular motion, focusing on those tough areas that you have been finding difficult to lighten, like your elbow, your knee, your knuckles. Just focus on those areas, and then you just do that. By the time you know it, you are on 2 minutes, and then you can just easily rinse it off. Now I'm going to tell you benefit of this ingredient I've just given you. I'm going to insert the ingredients as well, so that if you miss it when I was saying it, I'm going to put it somewhere in this video as well. Now, so let me just tell you a brief benefit of the ingredients that we are using. We're using granulated sugar. This is a very gentle exfoliant that will really exfoliate your skin. It helps to remove dead skin cells, and it also helps to remove buildup of, you know, excessive dead skins on your skin, and it's also going to help to promote smooth skin. So when you finish using this scrub, your skin will feel so smooth, so soft, making it easy for your product to actually penetrate and work, so that you don't waste money. And then the other ingredient we're using is the castle soap. This one is just for the lathering effect. Even if you are using your shower gel, at least that will add the lightening effect to it. That's why I said you can either use a castle soap, or you can use any shower gel of your choice. Just something to make this soap lather, so that you don't need to scrub and lather at the same time. So I just like to do both together. It's just something to make your scrub to lather. So that's what the castle soap or any shower gel of your choice, you can just add it to it. So your castle soap, this is a natural soap that helps to create lather in your scrub, and it also helps to nourish the skin. So if you are using your shower gel, for example, and it's a whitening shower gel, it will just make the scrubs even whiten as well. So either way, you are still getting all the benefits. The next one is the coconut oil, which helps to nourish and moisturize the skin. It helps to give your skin a lot of nutrients that it needs, and it is also going to be like the binder for this our scrub to put it together, so that everything is just not oily. The next one is the vitamin E oil, which is an antioxidant that helps to nourish and protect your skin, and is also very nourishing to the skin. So vitamin E oil is a must in this recipe. The last one is the essential oil. Like I said, you can choose any essential oil of your choice. You can even use like orange essential oil, which will help with brightening. You can use lemon essential oil as well, which will help with brightening the skin and lightening the skin. So mix all this together and start using it 2 times a week. So pick a date. Like for me now, my scrub days are Wednesdays and Saturdays. I've been doing this for years. So every Wednesdays and Saturdays, that's when I use scrub on my skin. And I always use scrubs that ladders, because it will stop me from, you know, scrubbing first and bathing after. So I just do one at a time. I'm very lazy when it comes to things like that. I don't miss it. I scrub my skin every week, because I have a dry skin, so I have no choice anyway. And at the end of the day, I still want to have a glowing, beautiful skin, and I want my product to work when I use them. So if you make this scrub, please come and give me your feedback. If you use it, come and give me your review. I will be very happy to hear from you. And if you have any more questions that you want to ask, please ask in the comment section. I am there at the comment section. I'm the one answering all the questions at the comment section. If you call my WhatsApp or my Instagram, no be me, I'm not the one there. But if you come on this YouTube and you ask a question under any of my video, I'll be able to give you the correct answer. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and if you need any skincare product, I sell. So go to my website, the link will be in the description, and just order and shop with us. You will not regret it. Until next time guys, stay blessed.